another coolest problem. This is problem number 231A of CodeForces team. Okay, so what the problem is saying, like basically there are three members over here, Petya, Vasya and Tonya. Okay, so they decided to like participate in a kind of a programming contest, and they decided like if any two of them from these three write a solution of that problem of that from the contest, so they're gonna write the solution. Otherwise the friend won't write the solution. If like for example if just any one of them know the solution, then they won't write. If two of them or greater than two know the solution, then they're gonna definitely write it down. Okay, so that's what the problem is. So this is a very quite simple problem, and if you want to read the whole statement, I will recommend you to read all the problem statement. So let's just now simply dive into like that's all the question is saying. There's nothing else, and just make sure to look up the constant what they are saying. Like there could be 1 to 1000. Okay, inputs over there, right? Because if you look at over here, like in this one we have given the number of test cases, and these are the test cases. Okay, so the first one is let's say Vanya, Patya and Manya. Okay, so these three one are over here. So Tonya, not Manya, my mistake. All right, so now let's talk about like how we're gonna solve this problem. So to solve it is quite simple. So what we're gonna do, let me just take it to the whiteboard over here. Over here is, it's not a whiteboard, sorry, it's like our code editor. So in this one my first job is to take a test case. So initially my int is 0. Okay, so t for test case, and I'm gonna run a while loop till my test case not become 0. Okay, till then I'm gonna run it. Right now in this one I'm gonna simply like I have to take for Vanya. So Vanya for v, which will be initially we're gonna like take the input from the user, and then we will go for Patya p, which will be same scn.next int, and last for Tonya, which will be scn.next. Okay, after this thing. Okay, let me just give me a second. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, so oh sorry, we have already taken the t. So let me just say m. I'm gonna take m over here. Okay, now what are we gonna do? Let me take one count as well. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna simply add them. If their sum is greater than 2, if their sum, if like for example like if two of them solve, so what means like their sum will be 2. If that's the case, then I'm gonna increment my count, and if the sum is less than 2, then obviously like they can't write the solution. Okay, so that's what I want to. I will simply say I will say result equals to, initially will be my v plus p plus m. Okay, and I will just simply check if my result is greater than equals to 2, then I will just simply increment my count. And for this one I'm going to have to take count as well. So int count equals to 0, right? And like just make sure to take it out, because you know like every time it will gonna refresh out, because every time we're gonna take new input, so it will gonna refresh it. And finally print that count over here, and we are good to go. I hope so. This thing is absolutely clear. So this is a very simple one. Let me just gonna simply run it to check. Let me simply copy our test case from over here, and okay, it's compiling. And oh wait, what just happened? Okay, oh sorry, my mistake. I'm so sorry. I have to take scn.next int over here. My mistake. Oh, sorry. I don't know where my mind is working. I'm so sorry about this. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So if I simply paste it, and you can see it's accepting. Let me copy this one as well. Let me run it again, and I'm pasting it over here back again, and you can see. Okay, so we are getting the correct output what we want. So let me just simply copy it and submit it, so that you can make sure like yes, we have done correctly. So go on to submit one, and simply paste it over here and hit on the submit to see whether it's gonna accept or not. And it will gonna accept, like is whether you will get a notification when it will gonna accept it. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that like that. I guess like there's too much load on the server, but don't worry, it is accepted. It is a right code. Trust me. I know I did a stupid mistake, but it will gonna accept it. Okay. So yes. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and I love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.